Okay. Now see the 13.2. In the 13.2, the first question. What is the first question there?
The curved surface area of right circular cylinder of height 40 centimeters is 88 centimeters square. Find the diameter of the base of the cylinder.
Yes. The question is the curved surface area of a right circular cylinder of a height 14 centimeter is 88 centimeter. Means the area they have given. Curved surface area of the cylinder they have given, and height also they have given 14 centimeters. What we have to calculate there?
Diameter.
Diameter of the base cylinder we have to calculate. See here, right? This is a
cylinder.
this is a cylinder.
Radius and
Okay. Yeah. So here they have given the height. Height is how much they have given?
14 centimeters.
14 centimeters they have given. And the area how much they have given?
88 centimeters
88 centimeters square. What we have to calculate here?
Diameter. Radius first we need to.
Yes, we have to calculate the diameter. Before that, we have to find the
Radius.
radius, right? Radius we have to calculate. So for that, what is the curved surface area of a cylinder? What is the formula for that?
2 pi r square.
2 pi r h, right? Curved surface area means
Lateral
base
surface
lateral surface area. So that is curved surface area means base perimeter into height. So what is the base perimeter for this circle? 2 pi r
2 into 20.
h.
2 by 7 into 14.
Curved surface area of a cylinder is 2 pi r h. Okay. So
7
2
cancels 2 times and
yes
14 cancels.
22 by 7 into
14.
r value is how much? Do we know the r value here?
No, sir.
No. H value is how much?
14.
14. So total area is how much?
88 centimeters.
88 centimeter square. Now simplify this one.
7 1 2
7 ones, 7
2
twos.
88.
44 1 2 2
2 22s,
44
44 twos,
88
88 into
R
r is equal to 88.
R is equal to 1 R is equal
Both sides divide by 88. 88, 88 will cancel. 88 once, 88 once. Therefore,
1 is equal to 1
r is equal to
1 centimeter
1 centimeter. But what we need here?
diameter
Diameter. They are asking us the diameter, right?
R into R
Yes, diameter of a circle
with radius
is 2 into r, right?
2 into 1.
2 into
1 into
2 centimeters, right? What we have done here, the question they have given the curved surface area of a cylinder, and they have given also height also they have given. They have asked us calculate the diameter. So for that, by using the formula, we have calculated the r value, that is radius. If you want to calculate the diameter, mean times 2. Okay? Diameter is equal to radius, right? Okay. Do this. So the third question, what they have given us, like this shape is there. Okay, we have to calculate the outer surface area. Okay, then inner surface area. Okay, then total surface area also. How we can calculate the total surface area? This is the blank, right? Okay. Yes. First thing they have given already the height they have given. Okay, if we calculate the inner surface area. Inner surface area. So what is the radius they have given for the inner surface area?
4 centimeters. 4 centimeters.
Diameter they have given. Inner one the diameter they have given.
2 centimeters.
That is 4
centimeter.
centimeter. So the radius is 2 centimeter. Right? So inner one. First calculate the inner surface area. Then after that calculate the outer surface area. For outer surface area is how much?
4.4 centimeters.
4.4 centimeter. 2.2 centimeters. So in this way, we will be getting the inner surface area and outer surface area will get. But the next is the third one, total surface area. Yes, inner surface area plus outer surface area, and this one also will be. This area also will be. Right?
Sir, does it matter for equally no sir? Upper it will be applicable sir.
Yes. So no, both sides. We need this one and this one.
Base perimeter.
Okay.
Base
Base area. Base area means this is the missing here.
Yes.
Right?
Thickness 0.4.
Yes, so thickness 0.4 no, we have to use the formula. First we have to add the inner surface area, outer surface area plus area
base
of
area.
this base rings. Area of this base rings. Okay, 2 pi r, no, in r we have to use the capital R square minus small r square. Clear? For that I'll tell. First we will start with the inner surface area and outer surface area, then we can add. Clear? Okay, now we can start here. Yeah. So see here, first thing is we have calculated here inner surface area. Okay. So inner surface area means diameter is 4, radius is 2. Height already we know that is 77 centimeters. Okay. We have substituted in this formula 2 pi r into h. Okay. That is curved surface area inner circle. So 2 into 22 by 7 into 2 into 77. If we simplify, we will be getting 968 centimeter square. The same way, outer surface area. For that outer one we have to calculate. For that outer one, they have given the different diameter. That is 4.4 they have given. So D value is 4.4. It means R value is 2.2. Here the outer one we are taking as a capital R. Inner one we are taking as a small r. Okay. So H value is 77 same. We substitute in the formula 2 pi R H. 2 into 22 by 7 into here capital R value is 2.2 into 77. To simplify, we will be getting 1064.8 centimeter square. This is inner one, inner surface area. This is outer surface area. Now we have to calculate the total surface area of that pipe. Okay. So for that, what we have to do? Inner surface area plus outer surface area plus area of two base rings. Okay. So this area we have to calculate, not the inside one. This base area is there, right? So two areas we have to calculate. For that, we are using the formula 2 pi into capital R minus small r square. Okay. So 2 pi r, this is the inner one, 968, outer one, 1064.8 plus 2 into pi value is 22 by 7 into capital R here 2.2 square minus small r 2 square. So if we add this one, we will be getting 2032.8. Now here 2 times 22 is 44 by 7 into 2.2 square value is 4.84 minus 2 square value is 4. Okay. If you subtract this one, 4.84 minus 4 is 0.84. 44 by 7. Simplify this one, you will be getting 5.28. So 2032.8 plus 5.28 is equal to 2038.08 centimeters square. This is the total surface area of given pipe. Okay, with inner one and outer one and base areas. Okay, clear? Right. See here the fifth question. What is the fifth question there?
Fourth.
Fourth question.
And the diameter of
The diameter of the roller is 84 centimeters. Length is 120 centimeters. It takes 500 complete revolutions to move once over the
Yes.
playground.
Yes.
The area of
meter square.
meter square.
Sir,
Yes, fourth question. So now see this roller they have given, right? Have you seen the roller?
yes, sir.
It will be like this only, right? Okay. So for that they have given the length also. How much length they have given?
120 centimeters.
120
Centimeters.
centimeters, right? And diameter how much they have given?
84 centimeters.
84 centimeters they have given. So for playground they are using this roller to
Roll.
roll that one. So we have to calculate if it is resolution, if complete resolution. Meaning if we start from here, if we start from here, okay, the complete one is taking this one, right? Okay, one resolution. So like this, if it is taking the 500 resolutions, right? If we are taking, if it is taking the 500 revolutions, so how much area it is covering? We have to calculate how much area it is
Area
covering.
of
So for that, first thing what we have to
Area of
calculate,
area of
which area, total surface or only curved
Curved
surface?
surface.
Yes, only curved surface. Curved surface. Okay, we have to calculate the curved surface area of that roller times 500. Okay, clear? So for that, what is the formula for this curved surface area of a cylinder?
2 pi r into x.
2 pi r into h. Okay, 2 into 22 plus 7.
42.
R value is how much here?
84,
42.
Yes, diameter 84 means
40.
R is 42. 42 into height is how much here?
120.
120. Okay, so 120 is height. Now simplify. 7 months, 7, 6. 2 times 22 is 44 into 6 into 120. Tell this one how much it is.
15.
For one revolution. How much here? 44 into 6 into 120.
31,680.
31,000.
680.
Check 1 second.
29,680.
Check 1 second. See if you multiply here. Okay. For the one revolution, how much we got here? 31,680 centimeters square. So for 500 revolutions.
31,680 into 5.
Yes, 500 revolutions is 500 into 31,680. If you multiply, how much you are getting here? 1584 00 centimeter square.
Meter square we should convert.
Yes, we have to change this one into meter square. You want to change the centimeters to
840.
yes, centimeter to meter mean divide by 100, right? Centimeter square to meter square mean divide by 100 into 100. So divide by 100 into 100. It will become meter square, right?
1584.
So
1,584 meter.
1,584 meter square. So the total area it is covering means 1,584 meter square it is covering. Clear? Right.
Yes.